Former Pakistan cricketer Waqar Younis will step down from his role as advisor of cricket affairs to PCB chairman Mohsin Naqvi, following a series of issues with the cricket board officials. Younis has stopped going to the office and the PCB has already started the process of hiring a new person for the position. Bangladesh recently defeated Pakistan by 10 wickets in the first test of the series. Younis had previously expressed the plan of involving more former cricketers to enhance the quality of cricket in Pakistan. West Indies defeated South Africa by 30 runs to win the T20 International Series with one game to spare. West Indies scored 179-6, with Shai Hope and Rovman Powell contributing crucial runs. South Africa struggled in their chase and were all out for 149 despite a strong start. Romario Shepherd and Shamar Joseph took 3 wickets each for West Indies. The series concluding T20 will take place on Tuesday. Pakistan skipper Shan Masood has accepted his mistake of declaring early in the first test against Bangladesh. Masood admitted that they should have added another 50 to 100 runs, as Bangladesh went on to win the match by 10 wickets. Despite the loss, Masood refused to blame the pitch and instead acknowledged that his team made a lot of mistakes. The second and final test will start on 30th August. Former all-rounder Shahid Afridi has questioned Pakistan's decision to leave out specialist spinner Abrar Ahmed and opt for a pace-heavy bowling attack in their opening test against Bangladesh. Pakistan suffered a 10-wicket defeat and are now 0-1 down in the 2-match series. Afridi believes this decision shows a lack of awareness about home conditions. Bangladesh played exceptional cricket throughout the test. The second and final test will start on 30th August in Rawalpindi. Bangladesh achieved its first ever win against Pakistan in a test match as Pakistan collapsed to 146 all out. Mehdi Hasan Miraj and Shakib Al Hasan took 7 wickets, while Zakir Hasan and Shadman Islam remained unbeaten in Bangladesh's 10-wicket victory. Bangladesh secured a victory over Pakistan by 10 wickets in the first test match of their 2-match series. Pakistan struggled to 108-6 in the first session, losing 5 wickets. Captain Shan Masood was dismissed early in the day and argued with the umpire over his dismissal. Bangladesh kept the pressure on, with Mehdi Hasan taking 3 wickets after lunch. This defeat extends Pakistan's winless streak in red ball cricket at home to 5 losses and 4 draws. The second test will be held in Rawalpindi next Friday. Bangladesh achieved its first ever win against Pakistan in 14 test matches, with a 10-wicket victory. Pakistan collapsed to 146 all out on the final day of the match, thanks to the impressive performance of off-spinner Mehdi Hasan Miraj and left-arm spinner Shakib Al Hasan. Bangladesh openers Zakir Hasan and Shadman Islam remained unbeaten as they reached 30-0 at tea interval, securing the victory. This marks Bangladesh's 7th away test win and their first since January 2022. Indian cricketer Rohit Sharma expresses gratitude to Shikhar Dhawan for their successful partnership, as Dhawan announces retirement from international and domestic cricket. The opening duo scored 51-48 runs in one-day internationals, making them the 4th highest-scoring opening pair. Their partnership began in 2013 and they achieved remarkable performances throughout their careers, including a memorable stand of 127 runs against South Africa in the 2013 Champions Trophy and a partnership of 210 runs against Pakistan in the 2018 Asia Cup. Rohit Sharma took to social media to commemorate their time together. Pakistan struggles against Bangladesh's bowling attack, with poor shot selection leading to a collapse. Bangladesh, aiming for an historic win, still leads by 9 runs at lunch on the final day of the test. Mohammad Rizwan is the last recognized batsman at the crease with an unbeaten 22. Pakistan's captain, Shan Masood was caught behind after a successful television referral. Pakistan's middle-order batters were guilty of throwing away their wickets against the spinners. Bangladesh has lost 12 of its last 13 test matches against Pakistan. Former player Basit Ali has criticized Pakistan's assistant coach Azhar Mahmood for wearing the team's cap backwards during a press conference. Basit accused Azhar of disrespecting Pakistan and urged him to avoid such behavior in the future. Mahmood, who holds a British passport, is currently involved in the ongoing two-test series between Pakistan and Bangladesh in Rawalpindi.